So, hindi lahat corrupt. Okay, punta na tayo. Lahat corrupt. Even if, let's assume, di ba?
Right, yeah.
Meron kasi yung mastermind, di ba? May big fish, may small fish. Mayroong gumawa ng sistema, mayroong sumusunod lang sa sistema. Pag tinira mo yung gumawa ng sistema, nabasag mo yung sistema, you break the system of corruption, di ba ka hindi na maging corrupt lahat ng mga nasa baba? So that's why you go for the ones on the top. Because sila ang gumawa ng system. I-relate natin kay VP Sara Duterte, no? Sabihin niya, hindi naman ako ang may confidential funds lang. But you created the system. Anong system? Fake names. Fake receipts. Diba? That's very new to me. Sabihin ba niya may ibang gumawa noon?
Well, we had Justice Scorpios from Davao on this show, and he said, actually, confidential fund is a creation of the Duterte dynasty from Davao days. The father's time, and you want to talk about flood control projects?
Yeah.
12,000, according to some reports, 12,000 flood control projects. So we're not talking about Sara in isolation. She was a mayor of Davao. The Duterte dynasty has been in power forever. Her father was in power. So I don't think ito yung usapan ng million versus billions. I mean, we can talk about all the corruption scandals during the Digong
She's
time.
like a mastermind. She designed many things, no? The first design dyan, you mentioned the Duterte administration, balikan ko yung Office of the President. It was President Duterte who originated a very bloated budget sa Office of the President, and a lot of that, may mga nagsabi na nitong researchers na yung ibang pera sa Office of the President na budget went to trolls, went to bloggers and influencers. Kaya ang daming propaganda noon, di ba? I think it was Duterte's administration na naging billions yung Office of the President in terms
times
of...
10, 20. Because Pinoy had that, but it was very limited and only for the President, because the President could be assassinated, so you have to have your own intelligence.
And hindi po confidential funds. We're not even talking about confidential
intelligence
funds.
Intelligence fund lang yata siya.
Intelligence funds and among other things, parang operating expenses.